everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Roll this white color of pipe cleaner around this pen or pencil. Now tie a knot using this green color of pipe cleaner and pull all of them downwards like this. Look, your flower is ready. Now we are going to give it shape. So we are going to fold it like this. Hold it from the top portion, press it, and look, you will get a shape like this. Now pull the green pipe cleaner downwards. After this, we are going to twist all the petals one after another and your flower is ready. After doing this, we are going to make a mini center flower as well using this orange color of pipe cleaner. So take a small piece and roll over and over again and make a circle like this. Now we are going to cut the extra part of it and paste it at the center of the flower using hot glue gun, and look, it is ready. You can make more such flowers. Let's make a bunch of flowers for bouquet. So we are going to roll two flowers together. We're also putting some leaves like this on this green stick and roll it using green color of floral tape. Similarly, you can also add more flowers and leaves on the same time and keep rolling it like this using this green color of floral tape, and look, your flower stick is ready. After making the flower stick, you can give it shape by bending all the flowers like this and make these beautiful flower sticks and make a bunch of flower for bouquet and for home decoration as well. We're going to make these beautiful flowers using pipe cleaners. So cut all of these pipe cleaners into half and take one piece. Now again we're going to fold it like this and make two petals like this and twist it. After making these petals, we're going to roll this brown color of pipe cleaner and make a circle like this. After making the circle, we're going to tie a knot. So yeah, we're going to remove it from the center part like this 2 times, and look, it's ready. After this, we're going to paste it from the bottom part, all the petals on it using hot glue gun. So put all the petals one after another and look, it's ready. Similarly, you can also add another layer of flower petal using hot glue gun, and look, your flower is ready. You can make more such flowers like this, and look how pretty these are looking. Let's learn how you can make leaves and sepal of the flower today. So we're going to fold this green color of pipe cleaner and make this zigzag shape. After making this shape, we are going to twist all of them like this. So hold it from one corner and twist it like we're doing here in this video and make these 3 shapes like this. After this, open it and again we're going to pull it like this. Now cut the extra part of the pipe cleaner and make more such shapes like this and combine both of them together like this, and you will get this sepal of the flowers. You can put it on the bottom side of the flower and look, it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video.